Take a plastic bangle, apply glue on it, take a thread and paste on it. I have taken the 30 to 35 strands of thread, wrap it all over the bangle, wrap it tightly. Almost I have wrapped all over the bangle. After wrapping, cut at the end, apply glue and paste it. Apply glue at the center of the bangle. Paste ring, jump ring one by one. Paste it one by one. Now at the center of jump ring, paste half gold ball. Paste it one by one at the center of jump ring. Paste it at the side center of one half pearl. Apply a glue. Take a ball chain, cut 2 balls and then 1 balls. First paste 2 balls, then 1 ball. Paste it one by one, 2 then 1. Paste it one by one like that. Apply glue, then paste it similarly. Turn on the other side and apply glue. Again paste a 2-step and 1-step ball. Bangle is ready now. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel.